So let us start the session. Today we are going to start the assertion and reasoning based questions from chapter number 2, polynomials, right? So in the assertion reasoning based questions, I already told you that there will be four options. In the first chapter I told you that there will be four option. एक statement दिया रहेगा assertion, and based on that one reason will be given, and we have to first analyze that whether assertion and reason both are correct or not. उसके बाद चेक करना है कि assertion का जो reason जो है वो correct explanation है कि नहीं, right? If it is correct explanation, then A. Okay, if assertion and reason both are true and the reason is the correct explanation, then we have to tick the A. And sometimes it happens that assertion और reason दोनों सही हैं लेकिन reason जो है वो assertion का explanation नहीं है, जो statement दो दिया हुआ है उसका explanation नहीं है. So we have to put tick mark for B. If assertion is true and reason is false, of course this one, and if assertion is false and reason is true, then this one. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. Assertion is given p of x is equals to 4x cube minus x square plus 5x to the power 4 plus 3x minus 2 is a polynomial of degree 3, right? And the reason it is given that the highest power of x in the polynomial p of x is the degree of polynomial. So we know that the highest power of x in the polynomial p of x, and p of x, whatever the polynomial p of x is given. So here the highest power of x is 4. So the degree of this polynomial is 4, right? So our assertion is wrong because the degree is 3 is given, and the reason is correct. The reason is correct because on the basis of this reason only we will identify the degree of polynomial, right? So degree of polynomial यहाँ पे 4 है और assertion यहाँ पे false है और reason true है. So which option is correct?
Option D.
Right. D. Very good. Option D is correct. Now we'll move toward question number 2. Assertion x cube plus x has only one real zero. Next reason, a polynomial of nth degree must have n real zeros. So यहाँ पे let us clear you all of you that polynomial of nth degree not must, it has at most n zeros. So वहाँ पे एक भी रियल जीरो भी नहीं हो सकता है. कभी कुछ कंडीशंस में किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का एक भी जीरो नहीं हो सकता है. यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करके हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि कितने रियल जीरोस आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो हियर रीजन इज फॉल्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज अ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ nth डिग्री हैज एट मोस्ट n zeros. Now again we will check for x cube plus x. What we can take common from here?
X.
Yes, we can take x common. If you take x common, we'll get x square plus 1, x into x square plus 1. Now if we equate with 0, अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग equate with 0 करेंगे, so we'll get either x is equals to 0 or x square plus 1 is equals to 0, which is not possible. Why x square plus 1 is equals to 0 is not possible? Because x square will come, it will use x square is equals to minus 1, and we know that the square of all real numbers must be positive. It is always positive. So it has give only one real zero, that is x is equals to 0. And why? Because x square plus 1 is not equals to 0 for all x belongs to real number. So assertion is true. So which option is correct here?
Option C.
Very good. Option C is the correct answer. Fine. Now we'll move towards question number 3. Assertion is given if one zero of a polynomial p of x is equals to k square plus 4 x square plus 13x plus 4k is reciprocal of other, then the value of k is equals to 2. And the reason is given if k minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of x is p of a is equals to 0. That is, a is a 0 of p of x. So now we will check for whether the assertion is correct or not. So if let the zeros be alpha and 1 upon alpha. ओके क्योंकि बोथ आर रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर दिया हुआ है. सो एक को हम लोग अल्फा लेंगे, दूसरे को 1 अपॉन अल्फा. एंड वी नो दैट व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मूला प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस?
C by A.
Very
C by
good.
A.
C by A. So 4k upon k square plus 4, and the product here alpha into 1 by alpha, it will become 1. Okay, so now we will solve this equation. We will form an equation and we'll solve this one. So k square plus 4 is equals to 4k. So we'll get one quadratic equation, k square minus 4k plus 4 is equals to 0. And this is nothing but this is k minus 2 whole square. Okay, k minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. So finally we'll get k is equals to 2. So that means assertion is correct, right? Assertion is correct. It is true. Now let us move toward reason. Reason is also true, right? Reason is also true. Lekin whether you check now whether the reason explains the assertion or not. Reason whether it explains the assertion or not. रीजन एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है असर्शन ऊपर वाले स्टेटमेंट को नहीं कर रहा है इट इज वेरी इंडिपेंडेंट वन सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट देन both are true
Option B.
right both are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion so option B is the correct one right now let us move towards question number 4 x square plus 4x plus 5 has two zeros okay टू रियल जीरोस कर देते हैं यहाँ पर हम लोग राइट टू एक छोटा सा करेक्शन मैं कर रहा हूँ टू रियल जीरोस एक मिनट टू रियल जीरोस राइट ओके a quadratic reason is given a quadratic polynomial can have at the most two zeros that is true only we know that a polynomial with degree n degree can have at most how many zeros n zeros right
Zeros.
so now we will check whether the assertion is correct or not reason तो correct है चलो assertion check करते हैं हम लोग we will equate with zero first now see यहाँ पे split नहीं हो रहा है 5 प्रोडक्ट को 4 में हम लोग स्प्लिट नहीं कर सकते हैं राइट सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू आई एम गोइंग टू चेक द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ऑलरेडी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पढ़ लिए हो सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट
b square minus 4ac
very good b square minus 4ac so we'll substitute the value of b is 4 so 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 see 16 minus 20 so what we are getting
minus 4
very good minus 4 is less than 0 that means it has no real zeros so whether assertion is correct
No, sir.
right
No, sir.
assertion is false but reason is correct so which option is correct
Option D.
right
Option D.
option D is the correct answer okay any doubt in this question
No, sir.
okay fine so now we are moving towards the next question assertion is given the graph y is equals to f of x is shown in this figure and the number of zeros of f of x is 3 see 1 2 and 3 it is correct 3 है यहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
okay fine अब reason दिया हुआ है the number of zero of the polynomial is the number of points of which f of x cuts or touches the axis right so whether reason is correct
yes sir
Yes, sir.
axis मतलब दोनों होता है ना it is a plural word x axis y axis दोनों दिया हुआ है so reason is correct or false
false
यहाँ पे कौन सा axis देखना है हम लोग को
x axis
right as the number of zeros of polynomial f of x is the number of points at which f of x intersects the x-axis so the number of zeros in the given figure is 3 that is correct so that means assertion is correct what about reason reason is not correct right so the correct option is C assertion A is true but reason R is false any doubt in this question
No, sir.
okay
No, sir.
so now we are moving toward the
No,
next
sir.
question assertion degree of a zero polynomial is not defined the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined reason degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0 right so actually we know that the constant polynomial that is 0 is called a zero polynomial okay and the degree of zero polynomial is not defined that is true so our assertion is true now let us see the reason Now the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. That is also correct. So reason is true. Now you have to check whether the reason is the correct explanation of assertion or not. Yes, whether both are correct, whether this is the correct explanation of assertion. See, assertion is true and reason is also true. अपने आप में दोनों true है, लेकिन क्या reason assertion को explain कर रहा है? नहीं कर
No,
रहा
sir.
है. Yes, very good. So since both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. So correct option is which one?
Sir, B.
B. Right.
Yeah.
Very good. Now we are moving towards next 7th question. Now assertion is given x square plus 7x plus 12 has no zeros. And the reason is given a quadratic polynomial can have at the most 2 zeros. Now the reason it is correct. Why? Because a polynomial of nth degree can have at most n zeros. Now we have to check whether assertion is true or not. क्योंकि reason तो true है. Right. Now we will equate with 0. यहाँ पे product plus 12 है और sum plus 5 है plus 7. Now you have to find the two factors of 12 such that its sum is 7.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. 4, 3. Right. दोनों का साइन प्लस होगा कि माइनस होगा?
Plus.
Right. So plus 4 plus 3x से हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे 7x को. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
X. इन दोनों में क्या common है?
3.
3. Right. So we'll take common. So we got two factors. X plus 4 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? First we will equate x plus 4 equals to 0 and x plus 3 equals to 0. So यहाँ पे दो values मिल रहा है. कौन कौन से?
Minus 4 and minus 3.
Very good. Minus 4 and minus 3. So both are real zeros. Right? Minus 4, minus 3 integers hai. So therefore x square plus 7x plus 12 has two real zeros. So assertion is wrong. Right? But reason is correct. So which option is correct?
Option
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 D.
B.
Option D. Right. Option D is the correct answer. Now we'll move towards question number 8. Assertion. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 2k x plus 8 are is 2, not r, is 2, then the value of k is 1. And reason is given sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is minus b by a. So reason correct hai?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
And product of 0 we know that it is c by a. And here the sum of zeros is only given. That means reason will explain the assertion. यहाँ पे आप ये check करना है कि assertion correct है कि नहीं. Right. So relation is true. Why? Because we know that the sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. Now what is the value of b here in the given polynomial?
Minus 2.
minus 2k.
Right. And what is the value of a?
1.
1.
1. Right. And the sum is given 2. Sum is given 2. So minus of minus 2k upon 1 is equals to 2. So ये minus minus plus हो जाएगा and we'll get 2k is equals to 2. So what is the value of k?
1.
Right. So we got k is equals to 1. So assertion is correct. And I just now I told you that reason explains assertion also. So which option is the correct one?
First option.
Option A.
Right. Very good. ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? assertion और reasoning based questions.
Sir.
ये वाले common रहेंगे. This is common to all the questions in maths and science also. And wherever assertion and reason based questions are there, these options are common. सभी में common रहेंगे. Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 9. Now if the product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k 5k is minus 10, then the value of k is minus 2. So that's this we have to check. The sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus px plus c is minus b by a. So this is correct statement or wrong? Sum of zeros minus b by a.
Correct.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, लेकिन यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ है और सम ऑफ जीरोस का कोई रोल नहीं है इसमें, इस क्वेश्चन में. वेदर वी विल यूज सम ऑफ जीरोस और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस फॉर्मूला.
Product of zeros.
राइट. सो रीजन करेक्ट है बट रीजन इज नॉट यूज फॉर असर्शन. राइट. सो अभी तो असर्शन चेक करना है. So reason is true as we know that the sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. Now we know that what is the product of zeros formula?
C
C by A.
Right, very good. C by a. So c by a, what is the value of c in the given polynomial?
5k.
Okay.
Right, 5k. What is the value of a?
1.
1. So 5k upon 1 is equals to it is given minus 10, right? So what is the value of 5? Sorry, k.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Very good. So already minus 2 दिया हुआ assertion में, that means assertion is true. Okay. So but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion क्योंकि sum of zeros दिया हुआ है. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Right, option B is the correct one. Fine. So correct option is B. Now we are moving towards the next question. 3 minus 2 root 5 is 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial. Then other 0 will be 3 plus 2 root 5. Irrational zeros roots always occurs in pair. Now see, this is true only because if suppose 2 plus root 3 is the 1 0, the another 0 will be 2 minus root 3. ठीक है, क्योंकि इन दोनों को अगर हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सो विल गेट रैशनल नंबर. ओके, 3 प्लस रूट 3 इंटू 2 माइनस रूट 3, सो इट विल बिकम 4 माइनस 3 इक्वल्स टू 1. सो दैट इज वाई यहाँ पे जो इररेशनल जो रूट्स जीरोस होते हैं दैट ऑलवेज ऑक्यूर्स इन पेयर्स. सो देयरफॉर if 1 0 is 3 minus 2 root 5, then the other will be 3 plus 2 root 5. So assertion is correct and reason is also correct and R explains A. So the correct option is the first one, A. Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question of the chapter polynomial. So a quadratic polynomial, sum of whose zeros is 8 and their product is 12 is x square minus 20x plus 96. And the reason is given if alpha and beta be the zeros of the polynomial f of x, then the polynomial is given by f of x is equals to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Whether reason is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to check for assertion. So assertion के लिए यहाँ पे sum of zeros दिया हुआ है and sum of product दिया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर -8 होना चाहिए था और यहाँ पे +12 होना चाहिए था. So see, reason is correct. If alpha and beta be the zeros of the required polynomial, then alpha plus beta is equals to 8 and alpha beta is equals to 12. And we know that it is given by x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now if we'll substitute, we'll get x square minus 8x plus 12. So assertion is not correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Right. So option D is the correct one. So this is the last question of polynomial. In the next session, we will see the assertion and reasoning based questions on chapter number 3. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.